So next one, bit number 38. So now acetone boiling point is given 329 Kelvin, and a carbon bisulfide boiling point also given, that is 320 Kelvin, are mixed in a definite compositions so that the mixture of the two behave like pure liquids and boils at 312 Kelvin, then it is. So then according to data, acetone boiling point is 329 Kelvin. So then acetone boiling point. So then acetone is CH3 C double bond O CH3. So now its boiling point is 329 Kelvin. So it is 329 Kelvin. Same as carbon bisulfide CH2. So now its boiling point is how much? 320 Kelvin. What is 320 Kelvin? So now these two are mixed in definite compositions. Then it boils at 312 kelvins. So then it boils at 312 kelvins. 312 kelvins. Then it is first option, second option, third option, fourth option. So the first option is not an azeotrope. Not an azeotrope. Not an azeotropic mixture. Second one is maximum boiling azeotrope. Maximum boiling azeotrope. So then third one is minimum boiling azeotrope. Minimum boiling azeotrope. And fourth one is rectified spirit. It is the rectified spirit. Rectified spirit. The correct option is minimum boiling azeotrope. Actually, wherein azeotropes means, what is azeotrope means? In a mixture, the component resolved or ESOLVed resolved at a certain temperatures. Okay, generally azeotropic mixtures are classified into two types. One is maximum boiling azeotropes and minimum boiling azeotropes. So simply types of the azeotropes. So types is, one is maximum boiling point azeotropes. So now second one is minimum. What is minimum boiling point azeotropes. What is two types of azeotropes? One is maximum boiling point azeotrope, second one is minimum boiling point azeotropes. So generally maximum boiling point azeotropes means the solution which show a large negative deviation. So then it show a large negative deviation. So then minimum boiling point azeotropes means the solutions which show a large positive deviation. So now the correct option is minimum boiling azeotropes. The given mixture, what are acetone and carbon bisulfide? These two are the minimum boiling azeotropes. So minimum boiling azeotropes means So the solution which show a large positive deviation. What is a large positive deviation? So now its boiling point is 329 Kelvin, its boiling point is 220 Kelvin, but these are mixed at the 312 Kelvin. So there is a positive value. So the mixture is show the minimum boiling azeotropes. What are minimum boiling azeotropes? So now next bit is bit number 39. So then bit number 39. So now bit number 39, what is? Now which of the following is the incorrect for ideal solutions? Which one of the following is incorrect statement among the ideal solutions? Which incorrect? What is incorrect? Not correct. Incorrect among ideal solutions. Ideal solutions. Actually, in ideal solutions, in ideal solutions, change in enthalpy of the mixture. So that is delta H mixture. Delta H mixture is equal to 0. So same as change in volume of the mixture. Delta V mixture equal to 0. So same as internal energy. U is the internal energy. Delta U mixture equal to 0. Delta U mixture equal to 0. Okay. So according to options, now first option is delta H mixture equal to 0. Delta H mixture equal to 0. So second option is delta U mixture equal to 0. Delta U mixture equal to 0. So now third option is delta P. What is delta P? So it is the lowering vapor pressure. Delta P equal to P absorbed. P absorbed means pressure absorbed. The absorbed pressure minus calculated pressure. P absorbed minus P calculated. P calculated with respect to Raoult's law. With respect to what is Raoult's law. So now which is incorrect in the following statements? So now with respect to what is ideal solutions? So the first option delta H mixture equal to 0. Delta H mixture equal to 0. It is correct option. So then delta U mixture equal to what is 0? It is correct option. So then third option, what is delta P? Change in lowering of vapor pressure equal to P observed minus P calculated according to Raoult's law. It is also correct. So now fourth one, what is delta G? What is a delta G mixture is equal to 0. Delta G mixture equal to 0. Wherein delta G is the change in Gibbs energy. What is a change in Gibbs energy? So change in Gibbs energy not affect the ideal solutions, not with consider the with respect to ideal solutions. So then it is the incorrect statement. The correct option is the fourth option. What is the fourth option? So now next one is bit number 40. Which of the following statements are correct? Which of the following statements are correct? So then four statements are given. So in these four statements, which statements are correct? Okay. So then bit number 40 is, so then first option. What is first option? The boiling point of solution. The boiling point of solution is greater than pure solvent. So then boiling point of solution is greater than boiling point of solvent. So now what is second option? Second option is the temperature where the vapor pressure of liquid is equal to atmospheric pressure is called boiling point. So now what is it is a definition of the boiling point. The temperature where the vapor pressure of liquid, okay, vapor pressure of liquid, vapor pressure of the liquid, it becomes to atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure, it called what is a boiling point. It is correct statement. So now what is third option? The vapor pressure of a pure solvent is less than vapor pressure of the pure solvent is less than vapor pressure of the solution. So now vapor pressure of pure solvent is less than vapor pressure of solution. It is the third statement. So now what is the fourth statement? So the temperature of liquid remained in the concentration after the evaporation is more than the before the evaporation. Okay, no? So then evaporation more than the before evaporation. So it is the greater than, it is the before vaporization, it is the after vaporization or vapor pressure. So in these four statements, which statements are correct? So the first one is boiling point of solution is greater than solvent. It is correct statement because generally solution means it contains a solvent and a solute. Generally solvent vapor pressure is more comparatively solution because solute decreases the vapor pressure of the solvent. So then boiling point of solution is greater than what is solvent. Next, what is second statement? Vapor pressure of liquid, it is equal to atmospheric, is called what is a boiling point. It is a definition of boiling point. So now vapor pressure of pure solvent is less than what is vapor pressure of solution. It is a wrong statement because vapor pressure of the pure solvent is greater than vapor pressure of the solution because solution with the two components, solvent and solute decreases the vapor pressure of the solvent, then automatically vapor pressure of the solution will be decreases. So then before vapor pressure is greater than after vapor pressure, actually it is the less than value, so it is the wrong statement. Now the correct statements, what is 1 and 2 are simply A and what is B. 1 and 2 and 1 and B. So now next bit is bit number 43. So remaining bits are conceptual bits 41 and 42. So then bit number is 43.